I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming whether your keyboard is wired or Bluetooth and check battery or cable integrity. These basics save time. Once done, restart the PS5 to clear temporary glitches and plug the keyboard into a different USB port. Make sure ports are clean. If it is Bluetooth, remove pairing and re-enter pairing mode on the keyboard. This resets the handshake. You want to isolate whether the issue is the console, the keyboard hardware, or the connection method. Next, open PS5 settings, go to Accessories, and check the Bluetooth device list and USB recognition. This tells you if the system even sees the keyboard. Once done, toggle any USB power-saving options off, and if needed, rebuild the PS5 database to resolve software-level recognition conflicts. Make sure to test the keyboard on a PC or phone. If it fails there, the problem is firmware or hardware on the keyboard, not the console. This narrows down your repair path. For final fixes, update the PS5 system software first, and check the keyboard manufacturer for any firmware updates you can apply. This often resolves compatibility glitches. If the keyboard requires more power, use a powered USB hub or swap the cable. Once done, and only if nothing else works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep software issues. If the problem persists afterward, try the keyboard on another console. If it still fails, consider repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.